Welcome back with a new math tutorial. In this video we are talking about drawing lines of symmetry. But at the first, what is the meaning of a line of symmetry? Suppose that we have any figure. The figure that has a line of symmetry that if we can float it over the line that we have here, one half of the figure will be matched with the other half. What is the meaning of that? Suppose that we have here a rectangle. If you draw a line from the middle, you will find that the half part which lies at the right will be the same as the left part. And if you float over the two shapes, you will find that we have identical shapes. The two shapes will be the same. This line is called the line of symmetry. So the meaning of a line of symmetry is that the line which divides the shape into two identical shapes. So in this problem, we need to identify whether each figure has a line of symmetry or not. We need to write yes or no. Then we need to draw the line or the lines of symmetry that we can find for the figure. You will find that in question number 1, we have a trapezoid. We can divide it from the middle. If you divide it from the middle, this line will be a line of symmetry because the part which lies at the left will be the same as the right. So we have here a line of symmetry. But in question number 2, if you try to draw any line, suppose that I'm drawing vertically, you will find that the part at the right is not the same as the left. We can divide it horizontally. You will find that the upper part is not equal to the lower part. If you try to draw any line, you will find that the first half is not equal to the second half. But in question number 3, you will find that we can draw, that is the first line of symmetry. And we can draw another line. Suppose that I'm starting from this vertex, you will find that we have two equal halves. We can draw another line. So we have here two equal halves. So now we have 3 lines of symmetry. In question number 4, we have a star. We can draw a line of symmetry by this way. And we can draw another line of symmetry. That is the third line of symmetry that we can draw. From each vertex, we can draw a line of symmetry. Now we have 5 lines of symmetry. That is the first line, second, line number 3, number 4, and number 5. So we have 5 lines of symmetry for this. In question number 5, if you try to draw any line of symmetry, you will not be able to divide the shape into two equal halves. In question number 6, if you try to draw any vertical line, you will divide into two equal halves. But if you float over the shape, you will not find that we have two identical shapes. The part at the right is equal to the part at the left. But once you float over the shape, you will not find they are not the same. Because we have here, this part is going down, and this part is going up. So they are not lies at the same position. So we can't draw a line of symmetry. So for question number 6, there is no line of symmetry. But in question number 7, we can draw a line of symmetry. So that's how can we identify the number of lines of symmetry.